Hello, and welcome to Update Hudson, the latest in our series of named updates for the What Caused This software platform. This update mainly focuses on the cause categories that we've brought into our platform. Cause categories, sometimes also known as Fishbone categories, sometimes also used in the lean methodology as part of Six Sigma. But I'll show you how we're going to handle that in the platform. And one point to note that this has been led broadly by our development partners using the platform in reality in their industries. And we identified that a number of organizations had separate Fishbone templates or information gathering tools in place. So we've addressed that with this update to bring it all into one platform. I'm currently editing an RCA, so you can see the organizational priority guidance that we saw in the last update is there, and also the timeline feature that we brought in another recent update is visible. But down the bottom, there's now an area called causes. And there are now 6 cause categories that are in our clients' platforms and will be available in all new clients' instances. And these commonly match the Fishbone categories or lean categories you use in your organization. It's easy to add content to these. You see we haven't got anything in the causes relating to the people category, so we'll add one here for the sake of this demo. And then if we go down also and we see we don't have, we've got one in communication and culture, but we'll add another one in there. And the idea of having the cause categories and this section in the create flow is to enable team members that maybe don't have experience or confidence and capability in cause and effect charting to load in multiple causes or potential causes they believe contributed to the event and to associate them with the correct causal categories or Fishbone categories to provide useful data for your organization in one area. If we now click through to this particular analysis, you can see that the cause and effect chart show me category is sitting on the cause categories, which are our 6 categories here. And we can see very clearly where we've got process and controls, external environment, communication and culture. I haven't got anything actually associated as a cause category on this SOS messages one. And I can click in there. The cause categories also appear on the side panel, and I'll choose technology and data for that particular cause category to appear on the cause and effect chart. Another evolution of Update Hudson is how we've developed the cause stack. You remember at the top right-hand corner here, we had a previous feature called cause stack, which is where viewers and contributors in your RCA can load potential causes, but they don't contribute to the actual formal analysis. And that area is still here, known as cause ideas. But we also have another area, which is causes. And you'll recognize these two in the causes section from the ones that I loaded in the cause category area in that edit and create flow. And now we can just drag these ones onto the cause and effect chart in the place where we wish to have them. The other new unique feature from Update Hudson is in the cause ideas. This one is just sitting here as a potential cause that we may look to bring into the analysis. But as the chain editor or lead analyst on this RCA, I can click on this cause box, choose to move it to causes. So this is now live. If I click here, we can see it, and it forms part of our analysis now. And I can then drag this cause box onto the cause and effect chart where I wish for it to be. And then we've got no internal comms. I'll come down here, open up the cause category area, select communication, and we've brought that idea from the old cause stack in from the now cause ideas area. We've chosen to make it a live cause and categorized it on the cause and effect chart relating to our 6 Fishbone or cause categories. So that broadly brings us to the end of Update Hudson. There's been a number of performance and bug fixes that have gone live in this update, but the core piece of this update is bringing in the 6 cause categories known as Fishbone categories or the Lean Six Sigma categories, enabling people to create an RCA record in the platform and categorize those causes without the need to always instantly or in fact at all create a cause and effect chart, and the evolution now of the cause stack coming into the cause ideas and the formal cause library. And what I can say now quite confidently is this is stage one, and we've got some really exciting visual updates coming to the platform to reward you for the categorization of this data on the dashboard level, at an RCA level, and also our upcoming new soon to be released full evolution of the outcome report. So thank you for watching Update Hudson. We look forward to your feedback and bringing more updates to the platform shortly.